What are confounding variables, and how do they impact app statistics? Have you ever wondered why some studies show surprising results? One reason could be confounding variables. So, what exactly are they, and why should you care about them, especially when preparing for the Advanced Placement Statistics exam? Let's break it down. A confounding variable is an outside factor that influences both the independent variable, which is the cause, and the dependent variable, which is the effect. This can lead to incorrect conclusions about the relationship between these variables. For example, if you study the effect of exercise on weight loss, but you do not account for diet, you might misinterpret the results. Understanding confounding variables is essential for students preparing for the Advanced Placement Statistics exam. If not controlled, these variables can create biases in research findings. This includes issues like omitted variable bias, where important factors are left out, or placebo effects, where participants believe they are experiencing an effect when they are not. Confounding variables can be categorized in different ways. They can be categorical, like gender or race, ordinal, like education level, or continuous, like age or income. Depending on the study, these factors can significantly impact the results. When you are designing a study, it is important to identify and control 4 confounding variables. This ensures that the results accurately reflected the relationship you are investigating. Techniques like stratification, which involves breaking data into subgroups, or regression analysis can help account for these variables and reduce bias. Consider the example of smoking and lung cancer. Age can be a confounding variable here. Older individuals are more likely to smoke and develop lung cancer. If age is not controlled for, it might falsely strengthen the association between smoking and lung cancer. Another example is the relationship between education and income. In studies examining this, occupation and years of experience can act as confounding variables. Certain jobs pay more regardless of education level. If these factors are not considered, the study might incorrectly conclude that education has a stronger impact on income than it actually does. For students taking the Advanced Placement Statistics exam, recognizing and addressing confounding variables is key to understanding and interpreting statistical studies. It helps develop critical thinking skills to evaluate research findings and identify potential biases. Additionally, it aids in designing studies that minimize the impact of confounding variables. When interpreting data, considering the role of these variables can lead to more accurate conclusions. By mastering the concept of confounding variables, you can better analyze and interpret statistical data, which is essential for success in the Advanced Placement Statistics exam. Understanding these variables will not only help you in your studies but also in real-world situations where data plays a crucial role.